who were these people who discovered Mr. Columbus lost on some beach in the Caribbean 400 years ago? We are now being told there were no Arawaks in the Caribbean at the time, and well, there weren't any Caribs either. Very interesting to live in a region defined by people who were not here. Our story is of the Arawaks and the Caribs who weren't here when Columbus arrived. But who were these Arawaks and Caribs who were never here? Well, they lived and continue to live in northeastern South America, in French Guiana, Suriname, Guyana, and Venezuela. The Arawaks never called themselves Arawaks but Lokono. Loko means inside, and no is the plural marker, so Lokono means the inside people. Those of us who are not fortunate enough to be Lokono are outsiders and are classified as Kakito, living creatures. The name Taino, which is now used to describe the indigenous people of the Greater Antilles, is made up of Tai, which is the term for noble or high-class people, and No, the same plural as in Lokono. So, Mrs. Moses, right? I got your name right?
The husband titled Stephen Moses, but he dead.
What year you born?
Me can't tell
You can't remember. You don't know. And where you born?
Me don't know.
Oh, where?
My mother, me born tell at Morocco.
Oh, you born at Morocco? When you been a child?
Yes.
Picnic. A warrow them in attack? Always?
Yes.
Down Morocco?
Me know this side. Me and my sister, cause my sister dead, she never been a friend. One daddy, you know?
I thought say Arawak live in Morocco.
Yes, Morocco, like we, and Arawak them they one side. Like we they one side. Them attack Warao, them the Arawak, Carib, the language one side.
Oh, all live by side and attack them language, three different language. Okay, Arawak, Carib, Warao. And so you don't know, you can talk Arawak too, or just Warao?
Me don't know.
Okay, and you can't talk Carib neither?
Can't talk that.
Only Warao?
Only Warao language. My nation come, them we are gap in Warao.
Oh, when your nation come, them gap in Warao?
Yes, we don't want gap. Now, nothing.
But now these days they got enough Warao there, about?
Then that's about what they don't talk.
They don't talk?
Pure English, they don't talk.
They don't talk?
They don't talk.
And nobody know learn the language?
No.
But so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna ask you some words, and I'm gonna ask you one word and Warao you're gonna tell me. Right? You're gonna tell me how to make sentence and
yes.
so, right? How me say hand in Warao? Me hand.
This we have? Kamuhu.
Kamuhu. And
this food, kaumu. Now that we put. This kakoko.
And nose.
This kaikari. This kamu.
And kakwa. All right. So if I want to say me head hot me. Kakwa
ahera.
Kakwa ahera. And if I want to say me hana hot me say me hana hot me. What would say?
Mamu ahera.
Mamu ahera.
This mouth, karoko.
So it will be karoko ahere. Karuka ahira would mean my mouth out me, right? Kakwa ahira me head out me.
When you going anyway, kasabay na riyatay daiba. That means where you going, sister?
Daiba.
With language.
Daiba mean what?
Daiba means sister.
Daiba. Daiba means sister. What mean brother?
Dakubo.
Dakubo. Dakubo. Dakubo. So if I want to say, me sister. Me sister come.
Me sister. Dakoi.
Dakoi.
And my son means Mauka.
Mauka. And how is me house?
Huh?
House.
Hanoko.
So if I want to say me house now, me house.
Mahanoko.
Mahanoko.